never joined any program with such an interesting content, with such a wonderful instructor. Actually, I think it's very good.
A very great program. It's a very beautiful program that I have get before.
I feel great, energetics, fantastic.
I feel happy, fantastic.
This program is very great of value. It really improved my communication skill. Bravo sir. Yeah!
I went through a fantastic course.
This program is a marvelous program.
You are the one who can make it more like eagle and
Go beyond 100%,
Lebih daripada 100%.
trust others and increase confidence level.
This program made me create many values in my life, especially my honesty.
And give me high impact in my life.
this program is different, even better than other program that I go because it changed me a lot. It changed me a lot.
It changed me a lot. Okay, it gave me a lot of value in the leadership.
Memberi satu impact yang kuat pada saya, dan saya akan gunakan untuk create dan upgrade the value to the very highest level.
Selepas saya menghadiri kursus ini, saya boleh komit sepenuh 100% dan saya boleh luar daripada itu.
Program
Very fantastic!
I must do it. I must do it. I must do it again and again.
Try it. It's very fantastic. You will get transformed, I'm sure.